channel with Lego. Today I'll be showing you how to make this Lego jigsaw puzzle. So it comes in this box here. You take out all the pieces, and basically what you need to do is you have these pieces, and the rules are you need to put this brown piece. When you're solving, you need to put this brown piece has to be in the middle. So I'll show you how to solve it now. So you put the brown piece in the middle. These 1x4 plates on the top, like that, and then this 2x3 here, and then another 1x4 on the bottom, and then a 2x3 plate here. So that's how we solve it. But let's get started building. Put the lid back on like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.